Assalamu alaikum, dear students. What is the main reason for the increase in rate of reaction with temperature? Increase in number of collision. Answer number B. Option number B is correct. Which compound is an example of inorganic molecule? CH4 is an example of organic molecule. Option number C is correct. Which of the following is an exothermic process? Condensation of system. Option number C is correct. Which metal is the most reactive in the alkali metal group? Option number D is correct. Cesium. What is the main use of chlorine in water treatment? To kill bacteria and other pathogens. Option number B is correct. Which law states that the total pressure of a mixture of gases is equal to the sum of partial pressures of the individual gases? Dalton law. Option number C is correct. Which of the following is a chemical property of a substance? Flammability. Option number C is correct. Which type of chemical reaction involves the exchange of ion between two compounds? Double displacement reaction. Option number D is correct. Which of the following is a diatomic molecule? Oxygen. Option number C is correct. What is the common name for the compound H2O2? Hydrogen peroxide. H2O2 common name is hydrogen peroxide. Option number B is correct. Which acid is commonly found in the stomach? Hydrochloric acid. Option number B is correct. In the periodic table, which group contain the noble gases? Group 18. Noble gases contained in group 18. What is the primary component of the air we breathe? Nitrogen. Option number B is correct. The another question is, which element has the chemical symbol Fe? Option number C. What is the process called when a solid turns directly into a gas? Sublimation. Option number B is correct. Which of the following substances is an example of an alloy? Brass. Option number B is correct. Which type of bond involves the sharing of electron pair between atoms? Covalent bond. Option number B is correct. What is the main component of natural gas? Methane. Methane is the main component of natural gas. Option number B is correct. Which of the following solution has the highest pH? Baking soda solution. Option number D is correct. What is the chemical formula of table salt? NaCl is the chemical formula of table salt. Option number A is correct. What is the molar mass of water H2O? 18 gram per mole. Option number A is correct. Which gas is produced when hydrochloric acid reacts with sodium carbonate? Carbon dioxide. Option number B is correct. Which of the following substances is commonly used as a disinfectant in drinking water? Chlorine. Option number C is correct. What is the atomic number of carbon? 6. Atomic number of carbon is 6. 6 is the atomic number of carbon. Option number A is correct. Which of the following is the lightest element? Hydrogen. Hydrogen is the lightest element. Option number B is correct.